Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make a program for finding the greatest value in the given list. In this program we are going to take elements as input from the user and then find the greatest element in that list. So first we'll execute the program to see how it's working. So we'll give random numbers and then you can see that the greatest element in the list is 89. Now we'll get back to our code. Here we have defined a function with the function name find underscore greatest and we have passed a parameter list here. Now we are checking that if no elements is present inside the list, then it will print none or it will return none. So for that we are writing here if not list. It means if nothing present inside the list, then return none. Then we are taking the first element of the list and initializing it to a variable greatest. And now using the for loop, we are checking that each element present in the list, and if the current element is greater than the first element, then the value of the current element will get updated in the first element and then the element will get printed here. And for taking input of the elements, we are using the input function and we are prompting enter the elements of the list line separated. Now we are taking this input of the elements as a string. So for giving spaces between individual each element, we are using the dot split method and we are storing this in the elements variable. Now we have to convert this string in the integer format. So for that we are using list comprehension. So integer, and then we are taking the element inside this list as lm. Then inside the integer function we are giving lm, and then for lm in elements it will get changed into integer and the resultant list will get stored into my underscore list variable. And then we are calling our function find underscore greatest with the newly list formed my underscore list as an argument, and then we are storing this function calling inside the result. And then we want to print our list we want to separate the elements with a comma. So what this will do, after each element is printed, a comma will be put. So you can see here after 12 a comma, and after 34, and then will be that much element a comma will become. And then we are printing our result with a prompt that the greatest element in the list is result, and then the number will be printed. Thanks for watching the video.